Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to attempt to do a different kind of art for my wall. I have this big canvas that I purchased in Michael's, and I changed my mind about painting it. I thought I would use material instead to cover it and have it on my wall, and then if I feel like changing it, instead of painting over what I have, I am just going to change the material. So I'm trying this as something new, and let me show you the material is on my couch right here. I already measured, it's already measured, and I also ironed it to make it look clean and crisp. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you guys down to my floor and I'm going to show you how I achieved this. So let's get into this DIY. If you're new here, thanks for visiting. I would like you to take the time out to subscribe, like, share this video if you do like it, and thank you all for your support. And for my oldies, hi guys. And yeah, let's get into this DIY. I have my material, I have my canvas, and I have my staple gun. So let's try this. So guys, this is how it's looking over my sofa, and I really like it. It came out really nice. Let me see if I could get you guys without shaking. It came out really nice. So yeah, I really like it. And the background is a cream color, and as you can see, my sofa has cream in it, so that is pretty awesome. Simple, easy DIY. And in Christmas time, you could change, you could use a different background material. You could put, if you're having birthday and you want to put birthday over it, whatever the season, you could go with the season. You could change it up into whatever you want. Yeah, so far so good. I really like this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. If you have a DIY that you would like to see me do, drop it in the comment section and I try to accomplish that for you. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll get back to you. Thank you all for your support, and don't forget, spread love. Bye.